Hello everyone, you are watching Surprise Deals. In this video, we'll show the 5 best tank for bearded dragon on the market that will help you to choose the best one. So let's dive into the video. Introducing the Exo Terra Huge Cage, which is a top quality product that will never fail to amaze you. With its impressive size of 18 into 18 into 18 for the small wide category, it is more than double the size of the nano wide counterpart, making it a perfect option for those intending to raise bearded dragon. The construction of this cage is similar to the other models from Exo Terra, only different is in size. However, it's the size that counts. One of the best features of this cage is its ability to hold humidity really well, even with the screen ceiling from above. If you put a plastic wrap over half of the ceiling, the moisture will be held even longer. Pros: top quality product that is sure to amaze, perfect for bearded dragons, holds humidity very well, moisture is held longer, saves money on buying. Cons: occupy a great deal of space. The ZooMed Reptibreeze open-air screen case arrived in perfect condition and is made of anodized aluminum screen grids. Ventilation system is excellent for a baby birdie, and the cage is easy to assemble. However, the cage's floor is poorly supported, making it difficult for small to medium-sized animals to stand on. Screens can also become hot and morphed under sunlight after a few basks, so a piece of white cardboard is recommended for safety. The ZooMed Reptibreeze open-air screen cage is a good choice for those who want an open-air cage for their pets. Pros: arrived in perfect condition, made of anodized aluminum, excellent ventilation, easy to assemble, suitable for small invertebrates, great choice for an open-air cage. Cons: occupy quite a large area. Exo Terra Nano Wide Terrarium is perfect for baby bearded dragons with its impressive construction. Its cubic size of 8 into 8 into 8 with a waterproof base and higher bottom frame provides customizable substrate options without leaks. Cleaning and feeding are a breeze thanks to the adjustable front door. The ventilation strip on the top is tightly attached to the backside locks, ensuring your pet's thriving oxygen levels. Glass construction allows for easy light and temperature penetration. However, the mesh might be dangerous for smaller animals like tarantulas or mantis. The nano-wide terrarium is perfect for baby bearded dragons, but may not be suitable for all pets. Pros: impressive construction, perfect for baby bearded dragons, waterproof base, higher bottom frame, customizable substrate options, adjustable front door, ventilation strip, glass construction. Cons: it's a bit small. The Exo Terra Breeding Box is a fantastic product for anyone looking to breed or transport small animals or live foods. Clear plastic terrarium provides easy visibility, and the special feeding door makes it simple to feed and clean the box. Side-angled ventilation slits ensure that the animals are getting enough air while inside. This medium-sized breeding box is perfect for small reptiles, insects, or amphibians. The stackable design allows for easy display or breeding purposes. Overall, this is a great product that is both functional and visually appealing. Pros: great for transporting small animals, clear plastic, special feeding door, side-angled ventilation, stackable design. Cons: plastic can scratch easily. Carolina Extra Long Cage is a game changer for bearded dragon owners. With a length of 48 inches, this terrarium can comfortably house 2 bearded dragons and provides ample space for breeding. However, it's best to keep only 1 adult bearded dragon in cage to prevent aggression and reduced appetite. The sliding door makes cleaning up and substrate insertion a breeze, while the sturdy upper screen holds up well against lights. With 18 different models available, there's a design and price point for every budget. If you're looking for an extra long cage for your bearded dragon, the Carolina Extra Long Cage is definitely worth considering. Pros: comfortably houses 2 bearded dragons, provides ample space for breeding, sliding door makes cleaning up a breeze, sturdy upper screens hold up well against lights, 18 different models available for different budgets. Cons: very lofty beast. That's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Hit the bell icon for regular updates, and I'll see you in the next video with another review.